In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? You know, basically, this is to provide market intelligence for individuals looking at the US market, and you're asking yourself, what exactly can I export to the US? Or rather, what does US import? Now, let's look at plastic products. US also import a lot of plastic products. What are the plastic products? Rubber tires, plastic lid, plastic housewares, raw plastic sheeting, polyacetal, plastic floor covering, ethylene polymers, and other rubber products, plastic pipes, plastic sheeting, plastic apparel, plastic building materials, vinyl chloride polymers, styrene polymers, polypropylene polymers, synthetic rubber, self-adhesive plastic, rubber type, and plastic rubber building. These are different rubber and plastic material, and US is spending $132 billion, $132 billion to import different plastic materials.